Hey, happy days and welcome to your TikTok tips for beginners. Make sure you keep watching right to the end because I am going to give you so many tips in this video that's really going to help you start your TikTok account with a bang.
Veena V.
Hello, my beautiful happiness hustler, and welcome to the place that aims to get your business and brand visible online. So, TikTok tips for beginners. Before we go any further, make sure you subscribe. I've got loads more tips on the way for you. Plus, go and download your free TikTok cheat sheet below. It will really help you in relation to this video and moving forward with your TikTok account as well. Okay, I'm in such a silly mood today. First thing we need to do is update your TikTok account to the Pro account. Go into your settings and then you should see there the option to switch your account to Pro. Why we need to do that is because then we open up our world to analytics. TikTok are going to give you so much information about your followers, your content, and it's really going to help you tailor your TikTok strategy and just start growing, because we need to say goodbye to the days where we make content and we just put it up and we spray it all over the place and we you know, it's like that phrase of you get noodles and you stick it, you're throwing it to the wall and you're just seeing what sticks. We want to see what's going on behind the scenes of our TikTok account. So I can see from my analytics is that my TikTok users are the most active at 3 p.m. I can also see that the majority of my followers are in America. So when I'm waking up in the morning, it's a bit pointless me putting content at that time for the moment, because the most of my followers, they're gonna be, you know, waking up obviously later than me. Now, the follow-on tip for that is post content multiple times a day. I'm gonna do a little tap on my hand because I haven't been doing this, and I'm all about opportunity and take action, and I have not been taking action myself. We need to jump on TikTok right now if you're serious about growing. No excuses, no fear. You got to get out your comfort zone and go for it. And I really want to be that person that you can see and be like, oh, do you know what? Veena's doing it, so I want to do it as well. And I'm going to really try my best. If you give me pressure, if you actually go and follow me right now on TikTok and send me comments on my videos every day going, Veena, you have not posted, that will give me the pressure to post more. We've got to be posting multiple times a day. Now, if you're already thinking, mate, I'm already a bit overwhelmed like that, start off slowly. As soon as you feel overwhelmed with something, you're going to stop doing it, aren't you? So set yourself a realistic schedule. So maybe if you're like me and you're a bit like an inconsistency queen, then you don't want to stress yourself out and go, yeah, I'm going to post 5 times a day. Don't do that. First of all, maybe think, okay, I'm going to post twice a week. The next week, think, oh, that was easy. I'm now going to do 4 times a week. Before you know, you'll be posting every day. Have an aim to post daily. Once you've got in the schedule of posting daily, then you can up it to maybe 2 or 3 times a day. How do we even get to that point of posting daily? We need to batch our content, okay? So right now, after I finish making this YouTube video for you, I'm actually going to go and make about 10 TikTok videos, okay? I'm batching my content, and the amazing thing about TikTok is that you can literally record 10, 20, 30 videos and save them in your drafts. And then when you want to go and post them, you simply go into your drafts and then you can post them once a day. So by the end of the day, I could have had let's be ambitious. Let me film 20 videos today, and I've got content for the next 20 days, okay? So make sure you're posting as consistently as you can, you're batching your content, and you're changing your account to the pro account so you can see all your analytics. So that's really going to help you moving forward with your TikTok growth. My next TikTok tip for you is to use hashtags. Now, in this video, which is kind of exploding a little bit on my channel right now, that video was filmed about 6 months ago. Go and watch it actually. Those tips are still really relevant. However, one of them isn't. And the tip I said in that video was hashtag FORYOUPAGE or 4YP. Now, from my own research on this and even listening to other people's tips on TikTok, it seems like that advice of using that hashtag isn't working at the moment. Remember, social media is always so fast moving. That tip may work again at a later stage, but right now, and to be honest, I don't think it's really going to work. And maybe it didn't even work when I gave you that tip before. And if you don't know what the For You page is, so think about your Facebook. When you log into Facebook, you're being presented with a Facebook feed. Now, your Facebook feed is different to every single other person, just like here on YouTube. When you log into your YouTube homepage looks different to everybody else's. Social media are getting so clever right now, and they are tailoring the content that they think that you want to see. So you may have never watched any of my videos before. The reason that you're seeing this video right now, and then you've clicked on, and thank you so much for getting this far in the video, you're watching it because you may have watched some other TikTok tip videos. This is why this video has been placed in front of you. So you need to think of TikTok like that as well. So like I said before, hashtagging the For You page, think of that as your Facebook or YouTube homepage. It may have used to work. I really don't think it's working at the moment. So don't waste your hashtag space by putting that in. You want to be using different hashtags. So for me, I talk a lot about kind of how to build and grow a YouTube channel for beginners. So on TikTok, I'll be hashtagging things like YouTube tips for beginners, YouTube tips, YouTube tricks. But I don't just want to be hashtagging that. I want to diversify my hashtags by putting other things and other people who I want to target, like small business owners, entrepreneurs, over 30s, over 40s, people like that. So, don't just put one type of hashtags, really play around with the different hashtags you are using in your TikTok descriptions. Okay, are you ready for this one? I haven't heard anyone say this TikTok tip yet. And it's about commenting on other people's videos. I want you to make me a promise right now and write in the comments below, I promise. The next time you go onto TikTok, every single video you watch, I want you to write a comment on that video. Okay? It doesn't really matter what it is right now. Just write something intriguing or interesting. Maybe something you learned from that video. Maybe if you can relate it back to your own content at all, try and do that as well. But I promise you, if you start writing comments, and remember, write in the comments below this video, I promise, so I know you're going to do this with me, I want you to write on every single video you watch on TikTok a comment. Why this helps is because if your comment goes viral, you can actually draw in so many followers that way. How I know that works, as with all my tips, is because I try them out myself. So I have been commenting on loads of people's videos that I watch, and I've had a few of my comments now that have gone viral. And from those comments, I've had so many people that have followed me. On one specific video, there was a lot of hate, and I hate it when I see negativity directed towards someone for literally no reason at all. So I made a comment and I said something like, why, I think I said something along the lines of, why is there so much hate? Or, I was addressing that, and I just put a really positive comment there. And that comment got thousands and thousands and thousands of people liking it. And as a result, people were commenting. Now, at the time, I wasn't doing it to get followers. I was just commenting because I thought, this is nasty. Why are people being nasty? So that's how I know it works. And there was, other videos I'm not overly thinking my comments. I'm just writing a comment from the heart. So I want you to do the same. And I promise you will soak in some followers and some, brand awareness by you doing that as well. Now, can you notice something on this video? It may be somewhere up there in that corner. I have put my TikTok username, and that is my next TikTok tip for you, is to drive people from your other social media platforms onto TikTok. Before you're like, Veena, I haven't got much of a following on YouTube or Facebook or whatever it is. There is no excuse. I'm guessing you've got some other kind of social media. Maybe you've got a Facebook personal profile. Let all your friends know on there that you've just started a TikTok account. So I'm telling you right now as a plea, go and follow me on TikTok so you can see how I'm using all of these tips and tricks I'm teaching you today, how I'm implementing them on my own account, okay? And you need to be doing the same. Give people a reason to follow you. Don't just say, follow me on TikTok. Actually, give them a reason. Did you see what I did there? Did you notice that? How I gave you a reason. If, my reason to you is I'm teaching you these tips. I'm going to show you how I'm implementing them on my own account. Also, if you want to be growing your own YouTube channel, I do content over on my TikTok account about how to build your brand on YouTube. Give people a reason to follow you on TikTok. As with every social media platform, you've got to get involved, baby boy or baby girl. You've got to get involved in the platform. Don't just go on TikTok and be like, I'm going to be by myself. I don't need anyone's help. I'm not going to comment on other people's videos. Be part of the community. TikTok is such a fun app. Try and make friends with people. Like I said, comment on other people's videos and get involved there's so many different ways to get involved with the TikTok community. Again, I'm going to talk to you about something that I haven't heard anyone else talk about. The first one, before we get onto the secret tip, the first one by getting involved in TikTok is jumping on trending sounds and trends. That is what is going to really help your TikTok account grow. Jumping on the trending sounds by looking at what is trending on TikTok, by going into the sounds. TikTok make it easy for us to see what's trending. You can even go on your For You page, whiz through a few of the videos on there, and you'll notice that there's specific songs that a lot of people are using. That means it's trending on TikTok, so go and use those in your videos. Something else you can do, which will get you involved with other people on TikTok, especially if you're just starting, is duetting. Okay, when you see someone's video on TikTok and you're like, oh, I quite liked that, why don't you react to it or do a reply to it, and if you tag that person as well, they'll be able to see that you've duetted with them. Again, it's just another way to get you involved with other people on the TikTok app. If you do this to people with larger followings and then they repost your TikTok, what do you think is going to happen? You're going to get so much exposure to your account. So try that out and let me know. Come back to this video even in a few months and let me know how these tips are working out for you. If you want even more tips, go and check out that playlist. I put a whole playlist together for you that is really going to help you grow your TikTok account. And make sure you go and download your free TikTok cheat sheet. And that's really going to help you as well to go through all these steps one by one and really grow your TikTok account. Really hope you've enjoyed this video. Take action today, not tomorrow, and I'll see you in the next video.